Alzheimer's and Motivation Chapter Overview. How can Alzheimer's be prevented or reduced through internal motivation? Also, what causes people to lose motivation in the face of Alzheimer's? Alzheimer's is the most common form of dementia. Alzheimer's is caused by plaques on the brain and fluid and oxidative damage. This damage results in reduced memory functioning from connection disruptions. It is a gradual decline but results in devastating changes, such as can be seen in the picture. Certain lifestyle factors have been identified as being able to reduce or even prevent Alzheimer's. People who are highly motivated and have a goal-driven and meaningful life have lower risks. Certain early to middle lifestyle factors can have a great impact. They will be reviewed here in turn. Our brains need activity. It helps prevent all kinds of cognitive decline. New and exciting activities help keep the brain active and engaged. Activities such as lifelong learning, reading, new hobbies, and puzzles and games can all help. A recent program starring Todd Sampson called Redesign My Brain worked on increasing brain functioning in 3 months. He had a massively greater functioning in this short time. This program can be found on ABC iView if you're interested. Social interaction is a psychological and social need. When it is lacking, it leads to psychological distress and reduced well-being. When people age, it gets even more important but tends to decline. Supportive relationships are therefore the key. A group of 7 friends is average and beneficial. Social games, chats with friends, and family time are all great social interactions. Diet and nutrition are important in all aspects of life, and a healthy lifestyle with a diet high in antioxidants has been found to reduce oxidative damage to the brain. The best diet includes a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, as most are high in some kind of antioxidants and all have different antioxidants. Exercise is also always an important lifestyle factor. Exercise has been found to increase healthy pathways and growth in the brain. It also reduces genetic risk factors back to a level of those without the problematic gene. Moderate exercise, say 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, is all that's needed to reduce the risks. Recently discovered genetic testing can find risk factors for Alzheimer's. This means that lifestyle changes and medications to help reduce the risk can begin early when these risks are found. This can help to stop the cognitive decline before it really begins, as it is irreversible. It is important to recognize the early warning signs of Alzheimer's. Some changes are normal with aging and some are not. Memory functioning greatly declines beyond normal levels of aging and gets significantly worse than in earlier life when someone is suffering from Alzheimer's. Things that people usually remember or put a lot of effort into remembering are still forgotten. This is an important fact of how Alzheimer's is different from other forms of dementia. The period of gradual decline pre-Alzheimer's is called mild cognitive impairment. It is also important to begin changes in lifestyle at this point if they have not already been made. Another important factor during this lifestyle is to have strong familial support. Motivation can be lost through depression, apathy, and frontal lobe damage. These are often of an uncontrollable nature and result in negative symptoms, loss of reasons to live, and a loss of who the person is, such as the photo to the left demonstrates. First, the person loses knowledge of those around them, even those most important to them, and then they lose who they are. And this can be very devastating to a person who suffers from Alzheimer's and can be hard to overcome. Many things can be done to prevent the risks or the onset of symptoms of Alzheimer's. It is important to make these changes as early in life as possible, as once they have begun, they can be halted but not reversed. Alzheimer's is a devastating disease to the person and those who love them, so anything which can help should be embraced. All information has been sourced from my Wikiversity chapter, and further information and studies can be found there. All images have been sourced from Wikimedia. This presentation is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution in Australia.